Hello friends, we are seeing lateral meniscus. You can see there is a flap of lateral meniscus which is torn and freely mobile and communicating with the main red white zone. The tear is going inside like a oblique radial tear and also in the substance of the meniscus as a horizontal tear. You can see that this is a complex tear, is a horizontal tear and also radial tear combination, and there is a flap of the meniscus which is freely floating in the knee. We cannot just leave this meniscus like that. You can see when we pull it with the probe, it comes out, means it is unstable. This fragment acts like a loose body and causes catching sensation in the knee. For this flap of meniscus which is coming out, which is very thin and in the white zone at the margin of the meniscus, we are planning to remove that because the thin flap which is freely mobile, we cannot put any stitches to this flap fragment, very thin, and this will not hold with any stitch. So we are trying to remove it with the shaver, and we have made from the medial portal, and figure of 4 position has been made to the knee, and you can see that we are trying to remove this flap and the remaining oblique horizontal tear. And also if you see that the tear is going to the capsule, so which is very thin anterior part. So this is like a complex tear, radial tear with the horizontal tear combination. We are now trying to put the all inside type of stitch. This implant is here ARTHREX. You can see that we are using this instrument to guide the needle. We are putting one proximal to the tear, one stitch which is going to the proximal fragment, and now it is deploying the first stitch. Now we pull out and you can see the popliteus tendon. Probably we will be deploying to the popliteus tendon also. Still it doesn't matter because that is the area of the meniscus which has no attachment. This is popliteal hiatus area, or else we have to take the stitch too much medial, which will not get hold to the area of the tear. The second bite we are taking anterior to the first one, the distal to the tear part. You can see that we are taking the second bite because it is a longitudinal and the tear is a long one. There is a good surface area for the repair. I am not trying to put another stitch. With only one stitch I am able to hold these both fragments, and with the longer surface area the tear got the compression, and hope it will heal. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share to your family and friends. Thank you.